Morning, everybody. Walked outside to see what Luna was carrying on about. Kind of in the middle of the screen, you can see somebody out there. Kind of looks like we got a couple squatting in the grass right there. Maybe somebody down there. I swear I keep seeing something down there moving. Dark patch right there. If you look, try to steady this phone. If you look, shoot, right, I'm trying to get it without my finger being all in the way. Right down here in this area. Take a couple of shots from him. The dog was going crazy. When I came out, she was laying down there on the driveway. Well, not really laying, standing there barking at somebody. But needless to say, I knew something was going on. Ow! Luna, stop. Maybe somebody right there behind. Luna, stop! You keep knocking me down. She's playing. They're being silly. No, the pit's not mine. It's a friend of mine that I'm helping out. But this one's mine. This one's mine. That's my little girl. Anyways, it's early. We're gonna go back in because they keep knocking into me. She's been standing like she gets in front and she won't let me go off the porch. So, nope. Well, I'm going in, y'all. Just wanted to show you. Good morning, everybody. Have a great day. God bless everybody. My phone's so horrible.